Hello guys, welcome back with another video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like it. If you like, so please don't forget to comment me and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you VIP room decor. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the white color theme, the white color theme, silver color wall, and the window mirror. You can see window and the table, the chair where you can study, and so also in pink color, the wall white color, and the size frame I don't know for what, and the beautiful design and decoration for 1%. The cupboards you can see beautiful. It's also in bluish color, everything is in blue color, bed and the pillow, and the wall is in white color, and the flower small leaves you can see. It's also very beautiful. You can see the their time 11:14, beautiful time, and the lamp you can see here. You can study, teach, someone take online class, play games. And here also in blue color theme you can see the bed and the window you can see, and the table, the glass table here, candle maybe, and the small plants and all. It's also very beautiful. You can see the green color and the small frames, the mirror side, and the up lamp, also very beautiful lamp. This one, the small lamp is light bulb from outside, and the calendar you can see that, and that's the place where you can keep small things, and the plants, the blue color wall. It's also in blue color, little blue color, and the white color wall. Beautiful design. And this one also, everything is in blue color, very beautiful. I like the ever picture I like. You can see the beautiful sweet cat, and the floor you can see beautiful white blue color shining. This one also in blue color, bed, beautiful bed. And this one also, you can see the laptop there where you can study, teach, take online class, play games, and the window also it is there, and the sides you can see cupboard where you can keep shoes and all. This one also with blue color bed, and the stars you can see at the wall, and the small drawing on the wall is this side, beautiful, and the floor also very beautiful. This one also a little bit in blue color, and it is very beautiful. You can see the lamp and the books where you keep books and anything you can keep there, and the window also it is there. This also everything is in blue color, beautiful decoration. This also I like. You can see the bed, the floor it is, the wall also white color, and the floor also the skin color, beautiful. This also very beautiful. You can see the lights, beautiful lights, blue color and the yellow color, beautiful lights and all, good decoration. You can see the table and all here, so the teach. Here also you can see the wall with blocks and the paintings with blue color. And here you can take online class on the table, online class, play games, beautiful wooden theme. This is a gaming room, beautiful gaming room. You can see for maybe girls. You can see the window mirror, beautiful gaming room. I love this one. It's also very beautiful. You can see the blue color shining lights and all, beautiful design, decoration, good. It's looking very good. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please guys don't forget to comment me so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of your health.